This is an interconnected era, an incredible world where all things are flexibly and intelligently connected.
But while the world is more brilliant, it also brings many challenges. For example,
this customer is creating an innovative AI wristband to visualize advanced controls augmented by AR at an unprecedented form factor. Achieving this typically requires collaboration with a number of technology partners.
But none of them can solve all your difficulties at the same time, right? How great it would be if there's one company that can totally understand your demands and provide a one-stop, creative, and flexible application solution to solve these problems. Oh wait, there is one. Here is the Research and Development Center of Zhejiang.
Our advanced R&D team deep dives into customers' specific application needs. It combines with our insight in the evolution and roadmap of flexible technology to provide a customized, comprehensive, and reliable solution. Once a solution is established, we bring the design into the production phase. Zhejiang Zhuhai Factory is our main manufacturing hub for flexible circuit, rigid flex, and SLP. We have advanced automation equipment and clean, highly efficient world-class workshops. We continuously pursue innovation in process capability and clean manufacturing to deliver leading-edge capability at higher quality, superior craftsmanship, and shorter turnaround time. We also established an advanced manufacturing facility in Huizhou, where smart control modules are manufactured utilizing highly reliable printing circuit boards. We dedicate our continuous effort in the miniaturization of compact and lightweight assemblies to enable delivery of innovative, flexible applications and products. We strictly control every single step, whether we are building just a handful of samples or producing millions in volume.
Our experts and engineers maintain close cooperation with customers in the whole process.
In understanding customers' vision through close collaboration, our motto is to think like a customer, deliver to customers' needs, and exceed customers' expectations. We continuously expand our reach across industries with significant success in the communication, automotive, medical, biometric authentication, and consumer electronics industries. We never stop our endeavor in research, innovation, drive the evolution of technology, benefits the world. Technology never stops to evolve. While we can never define technology, we will never be defined by technology.
It's time to move into the future. My friend, would you like to be with us?